Extremely thick lemonade. Let's do it. I have 4 ounces of lemonade. I'm going to add 1 dose per ounce. So that is 4 doses from the pump. And I'm just going to mix real quickly here. And we're going to have ourselves an extremely thick lemonade. Extremely thick liquids are level 4 on the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. This is for people who really can't drink things. They need a lot of control in the mouth. They need to be able to more or less eat their liquids from a spoon or to drink it because it's very, very thick. This will not flow, and it may even hold its shape a little bit. So extremely thick liquids are quite thick, and in a way it's like making a pudding out of your liquids. The International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative has done a great job of categorizing thickened liquids and helping give us test methods to make sure that things are the proper thickness. That is one of the benefits. They give us those test methods and we can test them. So let's see, it's been about a minute of mixing. So level 4 needs to sit on a spoon in a mound, and it just flows off very easily, which you can see it did nicely there. You take the fork, and when you go through there, it mounds up on there. It does not flow continuously through there, and so you have the little tailings. That is a nice level 4 liquid, and no, it doesn't affect the taste. Still tastes like lemonade. Please like and follow for more great mixing demonstrations and information on the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative.